What is up, guys? Done at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Meet's video calls on your laptop. So first, you need to open the Google Meet in your website by just typing meet.google.com, or you can just simply type in Google Meet, and then you just need to click on this first link. And after clicking on this first link, let's say I'm creating an instant meeting. So to create an instant meeting, you need to click on this new meeting and then click on start an instant meeting. But if you want to create a meeting for later, you can click on this button. And if you want to schedule it in Google Calendar, you can click on this button. I'm starting an instant meeting, and after starting the instant meeting, let's say I want to record this meeting, but I won't record this by using the internal tools of Google Meet. Rather, I will just use an extension which is none other than the awesome screen recorder. Yes, guys, the awesome screen recorder is the extension which is used to screen record all your meetings and videos in your laptop. So here you have two options: to record your camera only, to record this tab only, or to custom like whatever size and width you want in your recording, and then the desktop one. So when you have selected this, you can just select the quality like the 720 pixels, 1080 pixels, and 4K. And then you can choose the downloading of upload to cloud or download in the local. Let's say you want to download the recording in your PC, so just select local. And after selecting local, you need to choose the file tab for which is the WebM and the MP4. And after that, when you click on more, here you will see more settings. This is the countdown timer. You can change it according to your wish and requirements. And let's say you don't have this extension, so we will go to this three dots here on the right side and then hover to extensions and then click on visit web store. And after clicking on web store, we will click on the search bar and then we will type awesome screen recorder. And as you can see, this is the extension I'm showing you guys. This is the extensions that you can download for recording all your meetings. And you can also download it when you are done, as I showed you here in this extension. You can just pin it so that you can directly start it from here and then click on start recording to start recording and then stop it. You can also stop it from here, and when you are done, that particular meeting will be automatically downloaded to your local computer. So this is how you can download Google Meet videos on your laptop. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.